Looking for top-tier dumpster rental in Gretna, Nebraska? Look no further than 402 Container. Imagine a seamless workflow, unburdened by the complexities of waste management. That's the promise we deliver. Whether it's a small-scale renovation project or a large-scale construction endeavor, our team is dedicated to meeting your waste disposal needs with efficiency and professionalism. At 402 Container, we understand the importance of seamless service. That's why we provide top-quality dumpster rentals tailored to your specific requirements. What sets us apart? It's our commitment to transparent communication and pricing, ensuring that our valued customers know exactly what to expect every step of the way. With our user-friendly website and dedicated customer service line, scheduling your dumpster rental in Gretna, Nebraska is as simple as a click or a call. Our commitment to transparent pricing ensures that you know exactly what you're getting, with no hidden fees or surprises. Visit us online at www.402container.com dumpster rental Gretna NE or give us a call at 402-979-5900 to discover why we are the trusted choice for dumpster rental in Gretna, Nebraska. Trust 402 Container to manage the waste, so you can focus on what matters most, your project's success.